Hi Sagittarius, Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. What I'm feeling for you is right now you're feeling really good, really happy, really pumped, really excited, and it's about maybe a certain area in your life, but it's also about how the year is going to go for you. You feel really good about 2019. And in terms of how the year is actually going to go for you, I feel like it actually is going to be a pretty good year up until about August when I think you're going to have like a slump and things just aren't going to work out for you, maybe just across the board. Like nothing is just going to work out for you that month. But it's nothing you can't handle and it's only going to be like a month long, maybe two at most, but I feel like it'll be more of just like an August encased situation, and we will get to that when August comes around and we'll see what guidance you guys need then. But in terms of this month, you're really pumped and excited about your life and how it's going right now, and it could be just in general, but it could also be in a certain area in your life. Maybe it's career or relationship or whatever it is for you. And the way that you feel about it right now is it's like you are really working towards something, but it's more of a general direction. It's like you're working towards something, but you haven't really defined how the end outcome needs to be or what it needs to look like. You're just letting it be what it needs to be. And this is not really the best example, but since it's the one that I got, I'll share it with you. So it could be something like if, let's say, you were pursuing a career in fashion and then you picked maybe accessories. So that's a general direction. Accessories, fashion, that's the career I want to go after. But in terms of what kind of accessories, is it handbags or bracelets or scarves, or what kind of accessory is it? You have preferences, but you're keeping it open and not really defining what that preference has to be or what the end outcome has to look like, what kind of job specifically you have to have. You're keeping it open, you're hoping for the best, and you're letting things play out the way that they will. So I think that's a really good way to approach things, is you're excited about how things are going and you're not necessarily boxing anything in, but you are also allowing things to go in a preference that you have and just see where things go. And the guidance that I'm feeling for you is I'm really getting that you don't have any particular guidance right now, but that you would like some, because I think that you have some questions about how this particular subject in your life is going to go. What is the end result going to be like? And it's hard to say in a general reading, but what I'm getting for you is that look at how things have been going up until this point. If things have been going really well and you're excited and pumped and it's just been going really positively, that's the outcome that you can expect in the end. It's going to go well, it's going to go the way that you would like, it's going to be positive, you're really going to enjoy it. If things have been difficult and you're trying to be pumped about it and things just aren't quite working out the way that you would like it to, there's issues that you've been having to deal with and you really are just trying to make it work, that's going to be the outcome that you have as well. It's not really going to work out the way that you would like. So I hope that gives you a little bit of clarity for a general reading. And I hope things are going well so that the end outcome will be good as well. And I hope that this reading was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to check out my website, which will be at the end of this video and in the description box. And I will see you in my next one.